This could change the way you see the world. Imagine a top-secret military base hidden beneath the barren lands of New Mexico. A place where, according to former government officials, horrifying experiments take place, involving bizarre creatures that don't belong to Earth, and even a bloody battle between humans and extraterrestrials. Does this sound like just another crazy conspiracy theory? But wait. Countless witnesses, from military engineers to UFO researchers, have risked their lives to expose this secret. This is the classified file on Dulce Base, a place that might make you question everything you thought you knew about the government and the universe. Are you ready to dive into the mystery? Part 1: The Origins of the Dulce Base Legend. It all began in the 1970s when an American scientist named Paul Bennewitz, working on highly sensitive government contracts, stumbled upon something shocking. While monitoring radio frequencies for national security purposes, he claimed to have intercepted bizarre and highly advanced transmissions emanating from deep beneath the ground near Archuleta Mesa, New Mexico. What made these signals so alarming? According to Bennewitz, they were not of human origin. He believed that the strange communications were coming from an underground alien facility where extraterrestrial beings were conducting highly classified experiments on both humans and animals. Determined to expose the truth, Bennewitz began documenting everything, recording the transmissions, analyzing flight patterns of unidentified aerial objects, UFOs, in the area, and even setting up equipment to decode what he believed to be alien messages. At first, the US government dismissed his claims as paranoia. But over time, more and more whistleblowers emerged, each one adding another terrifying layer to the legend of Dulce Base. Reports surfaced that military personnel, scientists, and intelligence officers had either worked at or investigated the facility, many claiming to have seen things beyond human comprehension. Some spoke of massive underground chambers where advanced technology, far superior to anything known to modern science, was being used. Others described biological experiments so horrifying that they questioned whether they were still on Earth. One by one, these individuals risked everything to tell their stories, revealing disturbing details of genetic experiments, secret military alien collaborations, and a hidden war beneath our feet. But what exactly did they see? And why were so many of them silenced? The deeper we dig into the Dulce mystery, the more disturbing it gets. Part 2: Shocking Revelations from Insiders. 1. The US government collaborating with aliens. The story of Phil Schneider, a former military engineer who worked on classified projects, sent shockwaves through the world. Schneider claimed that the US government had known about the existence of extraterrestrials for decades and that they were secretly working together in underground facilities like Dulce. He further revealed that up to 7 different alien species had interacted with humans, including the infamous gray aliens, who were allegedly experimenting with biotechnology and genetic modifications on humans inside Dulce Base. 2. The underground battle, a deadly encounter between humans and aliens. One of the most shocking events linked to Dulce Base is the story of a brutal underground battle between humans and aliens in 1979. According to Schneider, while his team was drilling a tunnel deep underground, they accidentally breached a hidden chamber. And inside, they were not alone. Dozens of tall, gray-skinned beings with deep black eyes stood silently, watching the workers. Within seconds, a violent battle erupted. Schneider claimed that U.S. Special Forces were called in to fight, resulting in over 60 human casualties on the spot. He himself was wounded by an advanced energy weapon, suffering severe burns and losing part of his hand. 3. Horrifying genetic experiments. Several other whistleblowers, including former security personnel, stated that Dulce Base contained forbidden laboratories, where abducted humans were used for genetic modification experiments. They claimed to have seen hybrid creatures, half human and half extraterrestrial, trapped in glass containers. Others spoke of underground corridors lined with thousands of cryogenic storage pods, each containing a humanoid entity suspended in liquid. Were these failed experiments, or something far worse? Although this sounds like science fiction, reports of mutilated cattle, mass disappearances, and unsolved cases in New Mexico continue to fuel speculation. Whether you believe in Dulce Base or not, one thing is certain: this world is full of secrets yet to be revealed. If even a small fraction of these claims is true, then the real question is, what is the government hiding from us? Is the government really protecting us, or are they covering up something we were never meant to know? Could Dulce Base be just a small part of a much larger conspiracy, one far more terrifying than we ever imagined? Are we truly alone in the universe, or have we been living under surveillance from beings beyond our comprehension? What do you think about the mystery of Dulce Base? Is it real, or just another elaborate hoax? Or maybe we already know the answer but are too afraid to accept it. Leave your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear from you. If you found this video eye-opening, hit the like button so YouTube recommends it to more people. And if you don't want to miss more shocking stories that the government doesn't want you to know, hit subscribe now. Turn on notifications to make sure you're the first to uncover the truth when our next video drops. Next episode, Black Knight Satellite, an extraterrestrial probe orbiting Earth for 13,000 years. Get ready, because the truth might be even more shocking than you think.